Hello friend, in this tutorial I will show you how to develop a car racing game. This game is developed in Python Pygame. First I will show you how to run this code. Go to run button, click on this. This is our main window. There are three buttons. Start, quit, instruction. If click on instruction, pause, left turn, right turn, acceleration, brake. This is our back button. Click on this. This is our main window. Click on start. You can see this is pause window. There are three buttons: continue, restart, main menu. If click on continue, then this is a restart button. This is a main menu. Click on this. This is a main window. Click on quit button. Finally, I will show how to download Python and Pygame. Simply type Python download. Go to the python.org. If you are in Windows, then click on download Python and install it. After installing, go to the CMD. Simply type pip install Pygame. Okay. If you have any problem, then drop a comment in comment box. You can download this code and image from given below link. Thank you for watching this video.